Leading an Ayurvedic life doesn't need to be complicated. Namaste, my name is Dr. Varlakshmi, and today I would like to share with you 5 simple steps to incorporate Ayurveda into your life. Modern life is full of uncertain and unfamiliar situations which cause stress and anxiety on a day to day basis. If you have a routine and structure to your day, which includes a bit of self care, this could help manage any unwanted stress that we face on day to day basis. Some of the daily rituals recommended by Ayurveda, like tongue scraping, abhyanga, applying oil on your body, oil pulling, dry brushing, these simple daily techniques can help us to face any unwanted stress. Everything in the nature flows like a rhythm, just like the sun and moon, and our physiology, especially metabolism, is inherently linked to the movements of the sun and moon. That's why we wake up as soon as the sun comes out and we go to bed at the night when the moon comes out. Similarly, our metabolism is low in the morning and peaks during the mid-afternoon between 12 to 2 and again slows down during the evening time when the sun goes down. If we eat a lighter meal when our metabolism is slow in the morning, like having a lighter breakfast, and have a heavier meal like a heavy lunch which includes a protein or some form of a meat, and then again having a lighter dinner during evening, not only helps us to balance our metabolism but also helps in digesting the food that we are eating and aids for a better absorption of the nourishment. It's not just the day, but we need to adapt our diet to the subtle changes that are happening throughout the year. We need to honor the changes, like adapting our diet as per the changing seasons, like having a warm, nourishing meal which contains a bit of fat and a heavier meal during winter when our metabolism is high, and going for light, refreshing and cooling foods during summer and spring when our metabolism is low. Honoring and adapting our diet as per the seasons not only helps us to digest the food that we are eating but also prevents any kind of allergies and illnesses that we face during seasonal change, and also helps us to protect and also boost our immunity as well. Ayurveda says you are not just what you eat, but what you digest, absorb, and assimilate. It's not only important to eat healthy and organic food, but it's also important to ensure that whatever the food that we are eating is digested properly. That's why Ayurveda recommends a healthy person, to eat food which is warm. That means it should contain spices, healthy spices, or in the form of cooked, where there is temperature of the food is warm, and unctuous, that means it should contain moisture and as well as a bit of fat so that it goes down smooth in your colon, and lighter, like choosing lighter grains like rice over a heavier grain like wheat. If we follow these simple basic guidelines while eating a meal on day-to-day basis, it helps us to digest the food and also boosts our Agni or Jataragni as per Ayurveda. Last but not least, it's important to eat an early meal, early dinner. Studies show that eating an early dinner not only boosts our metabolism and aids in weight loss, but it also helps our body to focus on important functions like cellular repair and anti-aging. So these are the 5 simple steps to lead a healthy life as per Ayurveda. Thank you.